Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Telegram contacts on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete the contacts on your Telegram account, first open the Telegram app on your phone like this. And after you have opened your Telegram app on your phone, search for the contact which you want to delete from your Telegram account. You can also search on the chat box itself, or to go to the contact section of the Telegram. At the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three line icon. Tap over there, and you can see there is the contacts option available just below the new groups. Tap on that contacts like this, and over here you will be able to see all of the contacts on your phone. Choose the contact which you want to delete from your phone like this. And after you have chosen the contact which you want to delete from your Telegram account, tap on the name on the top of the screen. You can see their name. Tap over there, and when you land on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon over there. Tap on that three dotted icon, and this kind of pop-up will appear where you can see there is the delete contact option available for us. Just below the edit contact, there is also the auto delete button available, but it will delete it after a certain time, so we'll be just deleting it right now. To do that, let's tap on delete contact, and again this pop-up appears where you can see the delete button available. Pop-up appears where you can 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 my Telegram account. You can see the info is unknown currently, which means that this person's account has been deleted from my Telegram account, and I'll not be online on his account. And there guys, this is how you delete a contact on a Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.